From the red surface of Mars to its atmosphere, we will look at 15 facts about Mars in today's episode. Number 1. Mars One is a non-profit organization that has put forward plans to land the first humans on Mars and establish a permanent human colony there by 2027. Anyone can join, and currently, more than 100,000 people have applied for a one-way trip to colonize Mars. Number 2. The highest mountain and volcano in the solar system is on the planet Mars. It is called Olympus Mons and is 16 miles high, which makes it about 3 times higher than Mount Everest. Number 3. Currently there's no man on Mars, and the planet is populated entirely by robots. 7 to be precise. It includes NASA's Curiosity, Spirit and Opportunity rovers and 4 more. Number 4. Remember that awesome movie Gravity released in 2013? Well, the movie Gravity was more expensive than the Indian Mars mission. According to Warner Bros., the sci-fi film cost $100 million to make, whereas Indian Mars orbiter mission only cost $74 million. Number 5. On 1-year anniversary of Curiosity, NASA commanded one of the Curiosity's instruments to hum out the tune of Happy Birthday to commemorate the rover's first year on the Martian surface. Number 6. Mars is smaller than the Earth and has less mass, so more mass an object has, the more gravitational pull it has on other objects. This gravitational pull is weight. So therefore, because Mars has less mass than Earth, one weighs less on Mars than on Earth. Number 7. In 1997, 3 men from Yemen tried to sue NASA for invading Mars, claiming they had inherited it from their ancestors 3,000 years ago. Well, that is weird. Number 8. Google Mars is a version of Google Maps, which provides a visible image review, like Google Moon, as well as infrared imagery and shaded relief of the planet Mars. You can visit it by going to this URL. Number 9. Mars had an oxygen-rich atmosphere more than 1 billion years before the Earth, say scientists. An examination of meteorites and rocks on the planet suggests that oxygen was affecting the Martian surface 4 billion years ago. Number 10. Mars has a flag. It was designed by a NASA planetary scientist, Pascal Lee, during the 1998 Hot on Mars Project Arctic expedition to Devon Island, Canada. Number 11. A Martian year is longer than an Earth year, because the planet is farther from the Sun and, thus, it has to travel a greater distance to complete its orbit. 1 Martian year lasts approximately 669 Martian days, or about 687 Earth days. Number 12. The red color we see in images of Mars is the result of iron rusting. Rocks and soil on the surface of Mars contained a dust composed mostly of iron and small amounts of other elements such as chlorine and sulfur. Mars is covered in iron oxide. Number 13. Mars has a radius of about 3,390 kilometers, whereas Earth has a radius of 6,371 kilometers. That's why Mars is about half the size of the Earth. Number 14. An experiment on the Phoenix Mars lander showed the dirt on. Number 15. Jupiter has 67 moons, Saturn has 62, Uranus 27, Neptune 14, Mars 2 and Earth just 1. Thanks for watching. The universe is full of these weird, mind-blowing, funny and dark facts. For more awesome facts videos, click subscribe button below the video. Also don't forget to comment. Peace.